Okay, now I'm making the turkey gravy. This is all the dripping from the bottom of the turkey. And also, remember when I said I added about a jar and a half of this on the bottom of the chicken stock that I had made.
You added that on the underneath the turkey when you put it in the oven.
I was used not to waste the turkey.
Okay.
So excuse me. Now, this is what we got from there.
So you pulled everything out that was on the bottom of the turkey tray.
Yes.
And have you done anything to this, or is this just...
No, usually that's what I do.
Have you taken anything out?
No. Actually, what I did on this one, I had some of the, when I made the mashed potato with the chicken stock in there, and a little bit of the milk, half and half was left over. I also added it in there instead of throwing it away.
How much half and half?
What was left, there was about a couple of tablespoons.
Okay.
That's all. So now I have cornstarch. And I have about half a cup, maybe 3/4 of a cup of water. It doesn't matter if you have a cup. And then I'm going to put 3
heaping tablespoons of cornstarch into the half a cup of water.
Into the half cup of water. You stir it with cold water. You start this with cold water.
With cold water.
Cold water.
Why cold water?
Because otherwise it lumps up. Okay. So you stir it very well. Make sure everything is done. And then see it's boiling now.
Okay.
You see the grains boiling. And I add this. This is my thickener. See, and I see how
You've got it on high heat right now?
on high heat, yeah. And I see what it does, if it thickens or not. I put a little bit more. Some people like it really, really thick. I like this thick, but I don't want it that. There's a family member that likes to spoon it up. That's how thick they want it, like a custard.
But like wine, you want it to have some legs, right?
Some legs, yes. So it has stopped boiling because I added this that was cold. But it's boiling again. I see it's not thick enough to my liking, so I add some more.
Why are you whisking so much?
Because it thickens. I don't want it I want to mix the cornstarch, and I don't want to just stick it on the bottom.
So you got to be very active when you're doing this.
Yeah. So see, it's almost there. That's my husband trying to put things away. He's been very helpful to help me. Okay, I think it's because you know what happens once. I like this. What do you think? Do you want a little thicker?
Yeah, a little thicker, I think.
Because once it gets cold,
it'll thicken a little bit more.
Oh yeah, once it gets cold, put it in the refrigerator. It's almost like you could cut it up.
So
then you reheat it, and it gets thinner again.
How hot do you serve this?
Very hot. You want it hot.
You very hot. Okay.
So we are ready to put this in.
So you're just gonna take this and put it into a gravy boat, and that's it?
Is this good?
You tell me.
I think so, but you know what? Why waste this? Let's put it in there. Okay. You bring it to a boil. I don't have my rag too. Let me get my rag to clean up. Excuse me, honey. Try to clean up as I'm going along.
Hi, Nana.
Hi, sweetheart. What do you think of the gravy? The turkey gravy. Are you going to try?
Well, it's pretty hot. Why don't you smell it and see how it smells?
Do you want to taste it?
I can smell it, but probably
It's very hot though, so you have to be careful. Blow on. Blow.
It smells good.
Blow, blow, blow.
Here, you can do the video. I'll work on it.
Okay, so that's done. Because my family likes a lot of gravy. I have to go get that one back there. Did I need someone tall to get?
Okay, so we're gonna put it in the gravy boat, and that's it. You're all done?
That's it, done, ready to go.
Very nice. Salud.
Lovely job.